Hello folks, this is Fat Guy Flies RC. We're out here at the Avon Park field. We're going to be taking up the Carbon Cub S2 by HobbyZone, and just gonna have a little bit of fun with her. I'm running her in experience mode right now. I'm just going to try to fly her down here at this end of the field, because the sun's at my back and it is so bright. Do a nice little coordinated turn there. And that, like I say, that's, as the name implies, or a flat turn. This is some of the fun stuff you can do with this kind of plane. And actually, this is a skill you need to learn if you're going to fly Cubs anyways. Because especially Cubs like this that have a curved wing like this one does. If you go too slow, and I really don't want to demonstrate it. I don't want to ruin my model. But if you go too slow in a turn with a curved wing Cub like this, you can do a tip stall. Now you see the sun's over here, so I'm trying not to, a little bit of a knife edge here. Try not to face that way. Well, you know what? Here, let's get her up high. And I'll get it slow and I'll try to turn her. That A3X is keeping me from tip stalling, so. But she still will. If you're just too slow in the curve, in a tighter curve, she'll tip stall. And basically what it is, whatever direction the wing is tipped down at, she'll just spin right into that direction. So this is why I say you need to do these curved or these coordinated turns where you actually try to spin or turn flat. Alright, I can do better landings than that. With a landing, to try to get rid of the bounce with a tail dragger like this, or these bouncy wheels, you need to come in with a little bit of power. And I really wasn't doing that. Basically, you're driving it. There's a nice knife edge here for you. I'll tell you that silver and that yellow really looks good. Yeah, see? That's what I'm talking about right there. You have a lot less bounce then when you kind of let it set down on its wheels, and then let it sit, and then kind of drive it on its wheels with its tail still up. But the kicker on that is not getting that initial bounce. That's why you don't want to, when you're coming on pavement. Now grass will take that out. That wasn't too bad, but it actually wasn't that. Alright, let's get it turned around here. Alright. Alright, let's see if we can't. There, see? She'll fly inverted for you. And that just shows you right there that safe is not on right now. Can't do that if safe is on. Can't fly inverted. You see that coordinated turn there? We'll land in the grass here. All right. Touch and go. All right, I got flaps down now. Don't need flaps with this plane, in my opinion, but so I'm having to hold some down elevator to keep her from ballooning. But it did help with the landing, so maybe I'm wrong. Oh. Now see, here's where reverse would be great. I just can't get turned around. If I could back up, now that would be awesome, wouldn't it? All right, do takeoff flaps. All right, well, okay. I guess we'll do some flap landings now. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe flaps, but see, my thing is she's so floaty. Now let's see. Not bad, not bad. All right, let's. All right, we'll do takeoff. See how she's ballooning right now? I gotta go in here and work on a mix. But with the stock receiver, this training receiver that's in here, you just can't really do the flap system like I'm used to. Sorry about the sun, folks. You gotta be careful too in the sun, because you get temporarily blinded, and in that few seconds you can lose your model. Well, that's a good looking bird though. There, that's much better, much better. All right, well, maybe I'm wrong about the flaps. Okay, well folks, thank you for watching. That is the HobbyZone Sport Cub S2. Or, yeah, no, I'm sorry. That's what's predecessor is. This is the Carbon Cub S2, sold by Horizon Hobby, made by HobbyZone. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Motor off.
And that's what you want to hear. Bye-bye.